according to history records, in the period of the Buddhist with frequent wars, the Tsamba made of the highland barley became possible for tribes to fight because it was convenient. Tibetans nomads used to lead soldiers in wars of the day. They carried Tsamba with them and go to ground work, go up the mountain to herd and travel because it's very convenient to carry, cook food and delicious fast food. When it comes to fast food, you will think of McDonald's, KFC and so on. In fact, this fast food is very bad for health, but Tsamba is different. It's convenient and fast, but also very nutritious. In the last 100 years, modern medicine, food and nutrition have made many discoveries of the relation between food and disease, especially the discovery of a substance called beta-glucan. This substance has a broad therapeutic effects on hypertension, hyperglycemia, and heart diseases caused by eating meat. Experts have found it most commonly found in Greece, and the medical field is excited about the discovery of this beta-glucan because many modern diseases are linked to hypertension, hyperglycemia. The rich beta-glucan is highland barley is one of modern disease, so experts began to pay attention to highland barley. Tsamba is fried highland barley. She is a zero crop. It's the Tibetan Tsamba raw material. The key is to fire the barley. Most fire the barley sins like pop cream. Thin hot after the barley fried together, so that the sand can evenly spread heat into the barley sands, and then fry the highland barley into pop cream shape and grind into flour. On the vegetation platter, the measure highland barley determines the beside color of the land. Tibetan worship highland barley not only refers to it as kind of food and give first to a unique highland barley culture and many beautiful legends. Legend has it that in ancient times, in the desolate snow plateau, a monk came to Kumbu mountain to practice its command of public etc. Bodhisattva. At this time, a lot of women come to the monk and ask, come be with it. Otherwise, she could only come in with the devil and give birth to countless monsters, leave the world havoc. After obtaining the permission of public etc. Bodhisattva, the monkey marries the witch and gives birth to 6 little monkeys. Due to depletion of fuels in the forest, there is a serious shortage of food and miserable life. At this time of collective crisis, Avalok Tesvetra Bodhisattva avoids the Buddha has to order and talk out nature sense of 5 grams from Shimi Mountain and scatter them on snow land. Since then, highland barley seem to have been scattered all over the Tibetan plateau.